Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Avira Antivirus on Windows and remove scheduled tasks step by step clearly. To uninstall Avira Antivirus on Windows, begin by clicking on the Start menu. Next, select the Settings option from the list. In the Settings window, click on Apps. Within the Apps menu, scroll down to find Avira Antivirus. Click on Avira Antivirus to reveal the Uninstall button. Now, click on the Uninstall button. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. Select Yes to confirm that you want to uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the Avira uninstaller. Once the uninstallation is completed, close the uninstaller window. Now, to remove any scheduled tasks, press the Windows key and R simultaneously. This will open the Run dialog box. Type tasks.msc into the Run dialog and press Enter. The Task Scheduler window will now open. In the left pane, navigate to Task Scheduler Library. Look for any tasks related to Avira Antivirus. Right-click on any Avira tasks you find and select Delete. Confirm that you want to delete the tasks. Once all Avira tasks are removed, close the Task Scheduler window. Finally, restart your computer to finalize the changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.